Gawa tayo ng vegetables salad. So, these are all my vegetables. Shredded cabbage, then carrots, spring onions. This is organic. And this is onions. So, this one only organics. So, I have only ingredients here. This is organic yogurt from fresh cow's milk. Because 2 days ago, somebody gave me, so I have this extra. Now we'll put here, and then we put all together here, all vegetables. And then this black pepper powder. This is black pepper powder I use, and then salt. And I use mayonnaise. Now we'll mix natin. I will not taste because I'm fasting. So I will taste this one when there is time for open fasting for iftari. Around past 6 p.m. or 6:10 p.m. Inshallah, there is open fasting for iftari. So that time I can taste this one. But I'm sure this is delicious, tasty, yummy, yummy. So you can eat this one alone. Masarap ito, papakin ba? Parang coleslaw. You can use Nestle cream, whatever you want, or commercial yogurt. But I use mayonnaise. And you can add also some vegetables like this olive, green or black olive. But I don't have. So this one only I have available. And then you can add also capsicum, red and green capsicum, yung bell pepper. So this only I have available is spring onions, red onions, cabbage, carrots. So we'll leave this one. Ayan. Okay na ito. And I will add also coriander leaves. I will go there down to get in our field. Coriander leaves or parsley. So give natin ito ng Ayan, okay na ito. So i-cover natin. So I will go there down to get some organic coriander leaves. I went down and just now come up to get this organic coriander leaves. Now we can put also some coriander leaves, organic. Ayan. Mixed vegetable salad, cabbage, carrots, red onions, spring onions, and then toppings with organic coriander leaves. Then just I add only organic fresh yogurt, cow's yogurt, and then mayonnaise, and then salt and black pepper powder.